As promised, bringing you another off-market property. So thank you for following me. Stay tuned. We're gonna show you the before and after on this property. It's on a corner lot, quarter acre with the pool and additional living in the back that we're gonna set up with the wet bar and sliding doors right off the pool. You're gonna love it. Hey guys, Uyehara with loanDepot is gonna meet us here to show you this property. What's up, man?
Give us the lowdown on the property. We're trying to help people find homes because there's not a lot of inventory out there. I'm excited to see this.
Yeah, come check it out, guys. So right now is the before. We're gonna do a full rehab. Everything's gonna be brand new.
Let's check it out.
So this is gonna get replaced right here, a brand new cover, carport. So you walk in, living room area, dining. Then you have this whole other side, another living room. Right now the kitchen's all gutted out. So brand new cabinets, brand new light fixtures. Everything's gonna be just redone. You guys wanna see the backyard? I know you wanna see the backyard.
Dang.
This is all gonna be redone. Fans.
Nice.
Hot tub, pool.
Look at that, it's a good condition too, man.
Yeah, the pool is ready to go. So a lot like this, you don't see that often. It's on a corner on a quarter acre. And we're gonna have that additional living space with AC units. We're actually gonna do a sliding door that faces the pool.
Okay.
Wet bar inside, kind of like a hangout bar area. So it's gonna be like a freaking paradise out here.
You could probably throw like a grill out here too, right?
Yep. So it looks like they were gonna start doing something here. I don't know what we're gonna do with this yet, but we have the pool equipment covered already. Nice. We're gonna paint that, clean it up, and just kind of level this all out.
A lot of space over here still to add. I mean, you got a family, right? You could get like a playground, a little jungle gym set out there. I mean, there's a lot. Or if, is there an HOA here?
No HOA.
Okay, so remember, if you guys have been watching our videos, we talk a lot about HOAs here in Las Vegas. So the fact that he has all this extra space here with no HOA, if you've got an RV, right, or a camper or something like that, this will probably be a prime place for you to be able to park that thing right here without having to worry about your neighbors or the association complaining about parking things, your cars in the front, or even having things in your yard. So that's a huge plus when you guys are looking at properties.
Yeah, there's actually a RV on that side, so it'll be a double RV if you want to open up this side.
Wow.
Well, let's go check out the other side of the house. This is that other entrance when we came in. So check out this extra living space.
So you could essentially turn this into like a casita then, right? For maybe like an in-law suite or something like that?
Yeah, exactly. So in here, we actually ran a full electric panel in the back, so you can actually do that.
Okay.
So what we're planning to do is just add a sliding door on this side, nice. Give you access straight off the pool. We're gonna have a wet bar on this wall right here with some cabinets, things like that, countertops. And then this whole area just like as a living space, another table to have some lunch. So it's gonna be a lot of living space here in this property.
Love that. And how big is the total home itself?
Inside we have 1,600 square feet total, plus this is another like 400 square feet. So we're looking almost at 2,000 square feet combined.
And how many bed and bath in the house?
3 bedrooms and 2 full baths.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Single story, perfect for a first-time home buyer.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Oh man, this covers it. But over here you have an entrance where you could drive in actually through the RV parking. So I mean the parking is huge.
Lots of parking.
Let's check out the inside. I'll show you the rest of the house. Your full bathroom when you walk in here is gonna be completely redone, as you can see.
Check it out, Leo. Washer dryer.
Washer and dryer goes right here. And then master bedroom is inside here. And this whole thing's gonna be completely gutted as well. We're actually gonna extend this bathroom and we're gonna move the washer and dryers closer to the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
because that
And
bathroom is
push
pretty
this out.
small. Yeah. We want to give it a nice shower. So you see how this wall is diagonal?
Yep.
It's gonna end up being straight, and then putting the washers and dryers in their own little room right here
Okay.
with the door. Boom. So basically a brand new house with not brand new prices.
Yeah.
You know?
Absolutely. Prices keep going up every single month. So I think that's one of the things why we actually love working with Carlos so much, is that he gets access to these properties and he's helping so many of his clients get into properties that it's a lot easier when they can get a home that no one else knows about. And they've even helped some of their clients, they can pick some of these upgrades too, right? That
Yeah.
you guys have done on some other properties?
Yeah, if we get somebody pre-approved soon enough before we put the countertops in or the flooring, we could definitely show them a couple of different examples that we have to pick from. And yeah, that's an option for you guys as well. So that's the main reason why I want to show you this type of projects, to let you know that if you get pre-approved with us, we can put you in contact with one of these future homes that we're renovating right now. That way you don't have to have the hassle of submitting multiple offers, trying to give extra cash out of pocket. So this is an advantage that you guys get directly. So, I mean, what more do you want right now in this type of market? I don't know.
What are some of the, like in your experience, right? You're writing tons of offers. I mean, when you say, you know, maybe someone doesn't really know what's going on in the market right now, other than, I always tell them, you got to have patience right now.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
How many offers are you seeing sometimes for some of your clients that you've been writing to give them an idea of when you say you're writing a lot of offers? What does that look like?
Yeah, Matt, great question. Thank you for bringing that up. Right now, if you're gonna be a buyer buying this year, make sure that you have plenty of time to submit offers and view homes, because we're sending anywhere from 3 to 15 offers sometimes, right? You cannot fall in love with any property right away, because you're gonna end up getting your heart broken, right? I can't guarantee you that every offer that I send for you is gonna get accepted. So we have to keep an open mind and pick from a few different properties, right? And it's unfortunate, but that's the way that the market is moving right now. And I wanna set you guys for success and set the right expectations up front.
Yeah.
So as promised, guys, another off-market property, which means it gives you first access to this home before it hits the market, before it hits the MLS, so you're not competing with thousands of buyers. That's the advantage you have when you follow me. If you want access to some of these homes, please get pre-approved with our lender, Sean, to get you fully qualified and on the list to get access to some of these homes. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.